Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it's a Valentine's limited edition from Look Fantastic, and this is what it looks like. Got a little drawer there so you can pull the products out. Yeah, I love the design. Inside you'll find 7 full-size staples for any beauty lover, and it has a value of £231. It's currently on sale for £55. If you are a subscriber, you will receive £10 off at checkout, and for non-subscribers, if you were to use my code, which I'll pop up on the screen, you'll also be able to receive a discount too. I'll pop a link to the box and my code down below in my description, as well as any offers Look Fantastic currently have on their website and other limited editions as well. So you'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So yes, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside the Valentine's edit. Just taking the drawer out, there's a little sneak peek there for you. But look, you could use this to keep files or whatever you want really. I just think it's so handy. I'm definitely keeping that box. So inside you'll find a QR code, and this will give you more information about the products in the box. So I'll give that a scan. First up, we've got ELEMIS. This is the Pro-Collagen Morning Matrix. There's 30 mils here, and this retails for £85. It's a nourishing moisturiser that contains turmeric and a blend of botanical ingredients. I'll just put what's on the lid there on my hand. Provides an antioxidant boost, and it's great for firming the skin. Actually, that little bit that was on the lid, that's quite a lot. Let me blend that all in properly. This feels so nice. I love the Pro-Collagen range. Smells botanical. That's as far as I can describe that for you. So there's 30 mils in there. So we've got a moisturiser from ELEMIS as the first item. Next we've got a highlighter from Rodial. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer with niacinamide, white stargrass and squalene. And there's 31 mils there. This primer retails for £75. This is a beautiful primer. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that I'm not really keen on full-on glowy faces. I love a dewy look. I really love a nice sort of shine to the face and the high points, but I don't like to be shiny and shimmery all over my face, which some highlighting primers do. Especially the older we get, it tends to accentuate fine lines and any texture you've got on your face. This is lovely, and I know a load of you love it too. I'll just put some on my hand to show you. But it gives a beautiful finish. It's a skincare makeup hybrid basically. It has very subtle pearlescence to it. It can be used on its own as a primer, or you can add it to foundation. Yeah, it's a really gorgeous primer. So we've got Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial. Next up we've got something for your hair. This is from Beauty Works, and this is a Pearl Nourishing Argan Oil Mask with argan oil and milk protein. There's 250 mils here, and this retails for £11.99. I haven't tried this one, so I'll let you know what it says on the back. Improve your hair's texture and shine with our nourishing formula using a combination of organic argan oil and milk protein. The renowned properties of keratin will ensure each strand of hair is left feeling revitalized and nourished, enhancing the hair's body and tone. Our formula acts as a conditioning treatment designed to repair hair. This rich and creamy formula helps to moisturize strands and ensure soft, shiny hair. You apply it to clean, towel-dried hair. You leave it on your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes and then you rinse, and they recommend to use it once a week. So we've got a hair mask there from Beauty Works. Now the next 2 items come as a bit of a duo. We've got a makeup brush set and a makeup palette. So let's show you the brushes first. They're both from Morphe. This is a 4-piece eyeshadow set, and it retails for £9. Ooh, look at the ring light. I'll just get them out and show you properly. I actually bought this set for myself a couple of years ago, and I'll show you my favourite brush. It's this one, and mine is snapped off there. I don't know why it's snapped off, but I absolutely love this for crease work. It's small, but the bristles are fab for getting right into the crease. I really love this one. Not to say I don't like the others as well, but that one stands out for me. You've got an angled liner brush there. You've got a tapered blending brush. You've got an oval shadow brush. And then the crease brush then, what I showed you initially. 4 brushes from Morphe. So there's that, and there's no point you having a set of brushes unless you've got an eyeshadow palette, and we have got 90 Neutral Territory. It's a £9 palette, and this palette retails for £13. You've got a mirror on one side. You've got a mix of 9 matte and shimmery shades. Look at that colour. that is just beautiful, isn't it? I'll give you a bit of a swatch. Tested a few out on my hand. Look at those shimmers. Aren't they stunning? They are so, so pretty. Really buttery smooth. We've got a 9-pan palette there from Morphe. Next up, we've got something for your lips. This is a lip balm from LOM, and this is Kiss Mix, and it retails for £20. It contains beeswax and menthol for a cooling effect, and it has like a pearlescent shine as well. It can be used alone or on top of your lipstick. It's hard to show, isn't it, on camera? I'll try a little bit on my hand. It's a little bit there. Can you see? I can smell the menthol. This would have been brilliant actually. I was ill all over Christmas, so I had a really nasty sinusy cold. It was horrible. We all had it and it's lasted for ages and ages. I'm alright now, but my husband's still suffering from it. But yeah, having something like this on my lips, which were really dry and sore, but then smelling it on my lips, I'm sure it would have helped. You've got Kiss Mix lip balm from LOM, and lastly you've got a lip liner from Ciaté London, and this is in shade Coco. It's intense pigment, long lasting formula, and it retails for £18. A really nice neutral shade. You just twist up to use, and it leaves a matte finish on your lips. It's got a lip liner from Ciaté. So those are all the products in this year's Look Fantastic Valentine's Beauty Edit. 7 products in total. They're all full size and they have a combined value of £231. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Morning Matrix. It's a day cream. Got Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial. Beauty Works Argan Oil Mask for your hair. LOM Kiss Mix, a menthol pearlescent lip balm. We've got a Morphe Eye Got This, a 4-piece eyeshadow brush set. A Morphe 9-pan eyeshadow palette in Neutral Territory. And lastly, Ciaté London, a velvet lip liner in shade Coco. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this one this year? Have you bought it, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.